as a pathfinder country and further established 7 county child labor committees to address child labor issues at the county levels. These efforts underscore our unwavering dedication to uphold children's rights to social and educational development. Your Excellency, social protection is a mandate of my ministry, and we continue to implement the cash transfer programs with an increase in social assistance coverage to orphans and vulnerable children and persons living with disabilities, as well as the Inua Jamii program for the elderly persons, where government has committed 28 billion. In a move to afford social security to those in the informal sector, we have intensified campaigns to promote Haba program under NSSF, where members can access their savings plan through their mobile phones by dialing *303# to give members a chance to save 25 shillings a day, a minimum of 25 shillings a day, with an option of withdrawing 50% of their contribution after consistently contributing for a minimum of 5 years. My ministry is also developing bills to enhance the legal framework for protection of labor, which include the Labor Migration Management Bill, the Social Protection Bill 2024, the Work Injury Compensation Act Bill, Occupational Safety and Health Bill, National Productivity and Competitiveness Council Bill, among others, which are at various stages of development. Your Excellency, on the international scene, my ministry has also made good progress towards the ratification of Convention 189 on domestic workers and Convention 190 on violence and harassment.